Bat, the Peacemaker. Once upon a time, a bat named Bamu lived in the city of Mumbai on a chiku tree. Bamu was a courageous and adventurous fellow. He was loving and kind to others. He said hello to all whom he met. If not, at least he gave them a smile. For a long time, Bamu had wanted to go to a jungle to visit all the animals and birds. One of his friends told him that there were two jungles in Maharashtra. One of the jungles was in the north and the other one was in the south. Wild animals lived in the north and birds lived in the south. He also gave him directions on how to get there. He decided to go to the north first to see the animals. So one night he flew towards the north and reached the jungle in the morning. There he took shelter in a tree. He was tired after his journey, so he went to rest for a while. By noon, he woke up and he heard the sound of many animals under the tree. He was not afraid of being there as he was up on the tree and the animals were living on the ground. In the evening, as it was getting dark, he was able to see the animals. Bamu enjoyed watching them. Oh, the animals were playing together. He also saw how they expressed their love and concern for one another. The mothers took care of their little ones. He thought of his mother, whom he had lost in an accident. He was sad, but soon he forgot about her by seeing the animals. It was night and the animals were sleeping, but the bat was busy. He went from tree to tree in search of fruits. He enjoyed fruits of different kinds. He stayed for a few days in that jungle and enjoyed his stay over there. But he missed his city life and his friends. So he decided to go to the south to visit the birds and return to the city to live there. One night he went to the south to see the birds. He reached there the next night. He saw that the birds were sleeping on their nests. So he went quietly to a tree in which there were no birds and took shelter there. He was afraid of the birds as they were his enemies. Yet he decided to stay for a few days there and watch the life of the birds. As he was very tired after his journey, he went to sleep. The next morning, he woke up on hearing the chirping of the birds. Bamu enjoyed their melodious music. He thanked God for blessing them with the melodious voices which bring joy to others. Oh, God is really great. How beautifully He created the birds in different colors. He admired the birds from his hidden place. As the day went by, all of a sudden, around 6:30 p.m., he heard the loud chirping of the birds. Now their chirping was not so pleasant to hear. The chirping was full of anger and fear. Bamu peeped out to see what was happening. What a shock! The birds were quarreling with one another. There were lots of anger and the birds were pecking one another and there was a big fight. It went on for 30 minutes. Suddenly, a big eagle came and commanded the birds to stop fighting. Hearing the eagle, all the birds maintained a pin-drop silence. The eagle said angrily, "I am tired of settling you fights which are taking place so often. When are you going to stop fighting and live united?" Hearing all this, the bat realized that those birds fought very often. The birds put down their head in shame as they were listening to the eagle. The eagle asked, "Why do you fight today?" A parrot said, "I searched and found a ripe mango and I was enjoying the fruit. As I was eating, that crow came and pecked the mango. So I got angry and pecked him in return. Then we began to fight and some other birds came to support me and some other supported the crow. The fight became severe." The eagle looked around and saw many birds wounded, and each one of them had lost many of their feathers in the fight. The eagle said, "For a silly reason you began your fight, and now look around. Many are hurt and have lost their feathers, and also many nests have been destroyed. How many days did you take to make your nests? And they have been destroyed in a few minutes." All the birds were quiet. The eagle brought peace by talking to them, and they all worked together to rebuild the nest that were destroyed. The bat wondered how nice to see these birds working together. As Bamu, the bat, stayed there for a few days, he often witnessed their fights among the birds. He felt sorry for those birds and wanted to help them to live as the animals that were united, but Bamu was afraid to approach them, so he waited patiently for an opportunity. One night, a little sparrow came and sat near him. He was looking very sad. So the bat asked, "Hello, friend, why are you sad?" The sparrow replied, "Every day we have a war among us. There is no love and unity." Bamu took this chance to help the birds, and so he said, "I know the secret of happiness. If you all come with me to the jungle in the north, you can see and experience it for yourself." The sparrow asked, "The secret of happiness? Do you really mean it?" "Yes," said the bat. Bamu explained to the sparrow all that he had seen in the north jungle and how the animals were living in love and unity. Bamu said, "If all the birds come and see the way the animals live, they may change their attitude and live united." The sparrow said, "I am a tiny bird, and how will my leader, the eagle, listen to me?" Bamu said, "Have courage. Do not hesitate to do good." The sparrow courageously went to their leader and narrated all that the bat had told him. The eagle was a good leader and he was interested in the good of all the birds. So he said, "I will do the needful and go to the north jungle to know the secret of happiness. Yes, I want the birds to live in love, joy, and unity." The eagle met all the birds and arranged to go with the bat. The sparrow went and called the bat. He was afraid of the birds, but to do good, he was ready to face any problem. So he went to meet the birds and to take them to see the animals. The bat had told the birds how to behave in the north jungle. They set out on their journey and reached the jungle the next day. The bat requested the birds to take their places in the trees on different branches, as they had to stay there for a few days. They did as the bat directed them. The birds saw different kinds of animals, but there was no quarrel. They lived in love and unity. To know the secret of happiness, they stayed quietly on the trees, watching the animals. That day, the birds saw a rabbit who brought 2 carrots and began to eat. Seeing this, a few other animals who also liked carrots came running to that rabbit. The birds thought the rabbit would take the carrots and run, or it would fight with the other animals, as they used to do. But what a surprise! The rabbit shared his carrots with other animals, and he took very little for himself. There was no quarrel, but there was joy and happiness. The birds said, "What joy there is in sharing!" "Yes, sharing is one of the secrets of happiness," said the bat. The next day, a horse was playing with a zebra. As they were running, the zebra stepped on a deer. The deer cried in pain and looked angrily at the zebra. Now the birds thought surely the deer will kick back and there would be a quarrel. But do you know what happened? The zebra came closer to the deer and apologized for the accident. Though the deer was in pain, yet he smiled and said, "I am all right." After that, the deer too joined the zebra and horse to play. And they had a lot of fun. Bamu the bat said to the birds, "Just a word of apology can bring a lot of joy and a quarrel can be stopped." As the birds stayed over there for a few days, they witnessed many secrets of happiness. They learned many good things from the animals. The eagle said to the bat, "We have learned from these animals how to love, share, forgive, care, understand one another and many other good things. And now it is time for us to go and to live what we have learned." The birds thanked Bamu and went to their jungle and lived happily by practicing the good things they learned from the animals. Bamu returned to Mumbai and told all his friends the adventure he had and his experience with the animals and the birds. After a month, Bamu went to the south jungle to visit the birds. Bamu was surprised to see the way the birds were living in love and unity. He was very happy as he had done some good by bringing unity among the birds. There were no more quarrel among them anymore. So, the moral of the story is, let us be instruments in bringing unity among others.